Q and you rocking with Q's by Chevy, man. And today, about to go to All American Cheverolet and see if I can get me some, man. Old dude who I had got in contact with like a few months ago. He texted me. He been very consistent. We gonna see what happened. When I get there, I'm gonna make sure I get footage for y'all and let y'all know what's going on, man. So stay tuned. You heard me? If you ain't done it already, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? And turn your notifications on. Real spill, man. Ain't nothing but raw, positive content, bro, over here, man. Motivational content. Hey, you guys, I'm here at All American Cheverolet in Killeen, and we about to check out some stuff, man. I ain't went inside to ask for Justin yet, but we gonna just walk around and see what they got, man. So I'm already like intrigued, but let's just check some stuff out, all right? This color, man, and it's the Texas edition, so you know I'm fucking with that. And the inside so nice, man. Just trying to see the difference in all of them. There's another one right here too. Definitely got some trucks, and then that Trail Boss Z71. I want this so bad, but I want it all black though. Man, this the one right here. Yeah, we don't want it blue like that. We want it black. Yeah, this mug high, man. For real, big boy bucks. 61K. But it's real nice though. Then the interior's the man. I ain't even gonna try to, I know it's locked. Z71 though. Yeah. I kind of pulled up right over here where all the trucks is, so. But we definitely gonna, oh, I didn't even see this white one. This kind of the truck I want, bro. I can't lie to you. 5.3 V8 trim. Come on, man. Yeah, this one higher than the blue one. A1, man. See what's going on. I'm gonna go holler at Justin and get some paperwork done and see what we can do, see what we can get. So, how you doing? Hey, what's up, man? You Justin?
No, Justin.
Yeah, they running the paperwork right now. Definitely gonna get something though. These mugs hard right here, man. Big boy truck right here, man. Big boy truck. The interior is so clean, bro. Like, dang. That's somebody's truck or what? That mud nice. Got the marrow right here. Y'all think I can get this? Y'all had I was supposed to meet up with dude. I think it was like a few months ago. And he just stayed consistent with me, man. I was like, man, I gotta pull up today, man. And see what I can do with nothing down today, you know what I'm saying? So see, I didn't know they had to see. This is probably the only Challenger I done seen, bro. And then I done only seen 2 Chargers. This one not bad right here, man. With the Hemi. Unless they got more of these on the other side, but this is probably like the second one I done seen. I see this Challenger right here. If I can get this, bro, that BMW, that mother nice too. But look at this, bro. Come on, man. I know y'all can see your boy killing this. Killing the game. Can't really see any. Oh, it's unlocked though. Wow. Real nice. That mug is nice. And everybody who know me know that I don't really like Dodge like that, but I'm starting to. That color though, I like that color. That's very nice. I like that. What y'all think about that, man? BMW tough too, though. You know what I'm saying? Just checking out some vehicles, weighing my options. I've been trying to be patient, but it's time to just jump out there and grab some, man. A lot of choices, man. A lot of choices. So yeah, we just waiting right now, trying to see. The trail boss is tough, bro. I'm gonna come down in one of these soon. Just wait on it. Yep. I'm gonna run the highway with that mug too. For real, for real. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in here, man, and see if he got something together for me. Let y'all know, man. Y'all already know I gotta bring it to my channel, man. Q's Box Chevy, you know what's going on. But stay tuned, man. '21. Interior real nice, like interior like the beans and these, really. Yeah, man. You see what's going on, man. Yeah, man. 2022, brand new. Only 12 miles on it. Stop playing with me, man. All praise to God. Yeah, so it's Friday, you know what I'm saying? I'm back up here at the dealership. I'm actually gonna get my tint done today. You know what I'm saying? For free, actually, so that's cool, but they saying it's gonna be like 2 hours, so guess I'll get some more footage. It's a whole nother side that I didn't even really take a look at, but if y'all come up here, man, y'all holler at Justin, man. He's definitely gonna help you. And everybody, the whole team up here, they definitely gonna try to help you, man. Most definitely. So y'all come see these guys, man. They gonna get you right. If you need a vehicle today, you can pull off in something today. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. For real. But like every week he would text me and check up on me and see how my car search was coming along, and I pulled up and jumped in something, man. So, man, these trucks, bro. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep my car for a year, then just trade it in, then get the truck, cause it's the one guys right there. Very nice, either this one or the black one. Either one, man. Every time I pull up, I come right to this section, bro. And there's so many, it's a whole nother side, bro, that I ain't even look at it. You can't go wrong with that cowboy blue, though. Can't go wrong with that at all. It ain't too many. See, these special orders, so I think this probably the only one that I ain't seen on the lot. And they got a bunch of vehicles. What y'all think about this? Special order. Ooh, interior sick too. Man. I think it's unlocked too. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Wee. The buddy. Oh man. That interior hard, boy. Man, can y'all see me in that? Can you see your boy in that? Yes, sir. I could have capped and act like this was my whip. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't gonna really show y'all. Yeah, I ain't gonna show y'all mine. You know, this is just my YouTube channel. I don't show y'all everything. That's stupid. To show y'all everything that I be doing. Just being smart with it, bro. But man, and they got this 6.2 liter, bro. You know they want an arm and a leg for this one. I don't know how much. I don't see no tag on it. No sticker, I mean. Hey, you know they want something for that. Let's go down here. I think I seen a vet down here. Got a throw BMW right here, like a sporty BMW. Now, I ain't seen that on the road. Nothing like this. Let's take a look. The interior look crazy from. Wow. The interior crazy. That's a sports car for you right there. I ain't seen this BMW, period. Look at the grill. Dang. Stop it, man. Whoa. Oh, wow. Close to 100,000 probably. If not over, probably. What y'all think? Right at 100 grand or a little over? What y'all think, man? That mother tough because it's different. Super different, man. Yeah, they been driving this mother. Somebody who work here. Yeah. That's tough right there. Nigga wanna know how to act. Since they talking about 2 hours on tinting me up, I really got a lot of stuff to do today, man. But I actually could have brung it in Tuesday, but you know, I'm just trying to go on and get that. Go on and tint me up. It's free too. Go on and tint your boy up so I can be out here right. It's the Hyundai SUV. This one nice though. I mean, not a Hyundai, but a Mazda. I'm sorry. Yeah. There go the vet right here. Can't open that one up. Definitely got that one locked, but man, playing with the Vicks, man. The Vicks. Money talks. Bullshit walk, man. Whatever y'all want, man, they got it. And if they ain't got it, they can get it, man. Stop playing with these people.